This is Dahlia. She's a female pit bull, probably about 4 years old. She was rescued from a high-kill shelter. She's been with me for 5 days, and this is what she can do already. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Dahlia, heel. Very nice. Dahlia, heel. Very nice. Dahlia, stay. What a good girl you are. What a good girl you are. Good. Very nice. Stay. What a good girl. What a good girl. Okay, Free, come here. Good girl, good girl. Oh, good girl. Can you catch? Catch. Oh, nice job. Catch. Oh, good girl, good girl. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, good girl. No. Wait. Dahlia, leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Good girl. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you're a good girl. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you're a good girl. Dahlia. Leave it. No, that's not what we want. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Good girl. Dahlia, do you want a massage? Do you want a massage? Do you want a massage? Oh, she wants a massage. What a good girl. What a good girl, Dahlia. What a good girl. All right, good girl. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, good girl. Good girl.